Okay, thought it was about time I did a part 2 on the build of the PW50. We've just put these plastics on. Brand new set of plastics, brand new sticker kit, plastics included, new tank as well, new side covers, new seat. Still got to fix up that sticky kit a little bit, but we've only got a couple of days before it's his birthday. He's turning 6. That's why we went the number 6 there. But geez, she's come up a treat. Absolutely looks brand new, this bike. Apart from a few little things like this, a little bit of dirt, but oil and that, so not too bad. So it's come up really good, and the plastics only cost $130 because this is a I believe it's a 1995. And anyway, so what we were thinking of doing is taking this back tire off, and if anyone knows how to take these off, they'd know that you need to take the whole rear exhaust silencer off. You need to take this shock off also, just unhook that, and this whole side plate, which is 1, 2, 3 bolts there, and then one there. This whole plate actually comes off, and the wheel will actually slide off this way. Comes off the axle, which is fixed in here as far as I know. I actually had to look this up because I had never taken one of these off before and not realised that you have to take half the side of the rear off, which is quite interesting, kind of cool. But yeah, all of that I'm thinking of taking off and giving the rims a bit of a spray because they've got chips on them all the way around. Not sure what colour I'm going to paint them. If anyone's got any good ideas, put them down in the comments there. And I like white, but I'm thinking black would look really good. I know these come in gold as well. Yeah, it looks great. SKDA Designs do an amazing job. It's absolutely amazing sticker kits, the best in the business, if you ask me. It's just perfect. Looks like a brand new bike now. Perfect day to do it. Absolutely stinking hot here in Australia. 35 degrees Celsius, that is. Yeah, look at this. So whether we're going to take that back off, we've only got 5 days before his birthday, so we really got to get moving on that. But it's a little update. This front wheel's not too bad actually. What a great bike. He's going to absolutely love this bike. He doesn't even know he's getting a motorbike. He is going to absolutely, I can't wait to see his face. These bikes absolutely last forever. Still got a bit of work to do on that. What a great bike to start on. I've been riding motorbikes for about 35 years, and this is what I started on, one of these. PW50. That's how she's looking from now. Anyway, leave your comments down in the bottom, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.